1999 Chevy Suburban. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it continues, and we continued the true dual on it. Usually the muffler comes dual in, single out, and then a single tailpipe. So we cut it right before there. I run 2 1/4 all the way back, and then out the side into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. So basically it's a true dual now. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Suburban, 1999. That's loud. Wow. Yep. Hope you guys like it. It's loud. What's up, man? Give me a couple of seconds. '99 Suburban does not disappoint.